Assalamualaikum. Thanks in advance for showing my video. Let's see how to compress a folder and why it's needed to compress any folder too many folders in one folder. Let's get started. Now you can see there have 6 JPG images. So now we are going to make it in one folder to send it for anyone. So you will send one folder, then he can extract the folder and get all 6 JPG images. So select all images, then click right button and go to send to option and click compress folder. Now you can rename this folder name. Now this zip folder you could send anyone. You will send only one folder, then he will get all 6 images. You don't need to upload 6 images particularly. Now how to unzip this folder, you can also see it. Right click on the folder, then go to extract wall and see where you want to extract this folder. This is folder fzip 6 image. So we select a destination file here on this page. Okay, extract and see this is the 6 images unzip folder and this is the zip folder. So now you would able to make zip or unzip folder freely. Thank you everyone.